Welcome to Carbon Food Market, where there is a lot of vendors, a lot of authentic Filipino food. So let's explore and try different foods together, and let's check the prices as well. Can I have 2 of those, please?
What?
2.
2?
What is the name of this?
Lumpia.
Lumpia.
Or Lumpia Shanghai.
Lumpia Shanghai, okay. Can I have 2? How much is it?
10 pesos. 20.
Lumpia Shanghai. It's kind of a egg roll, and it's only 10 pesos each. It's delicious. It has beef inside, or has kind of meats and some vegetables. Is this one fresh?
Fresh.
Fresh from the sea?
Yes.
What is the name?
Spider shell.
Spider shell. Okay. How much is the spider shell?
40, 50, 25. Small 20.
Okay, let's have 2, 40, okay? So, yes, this is the spider shell. Our friend here is gonna prepare 2.
Sauce.
This is vinegar?
Yes.
Okay.
Onion, 1 onion.
Okay.
Chili.
And maybe lemon.
Lemon.
You have? Yes, squeeze. One more, please. One more lemon.
Chili.
Chili, good.
How much chili? 1.
1 chili, good. Thank you. This is my first time to try it. Thank you. Okay, this is how it looks like. I think it's gonna be a little bit chewy, and then it's raw, it's not cooked. It is nice. The vinegar, the onion is giving it a good taste, Jeff. I really like it. It's really nice. The chili to spice up the flavor. What is this called?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Yes. Oh, this one is 125.
Okay.
One piece.
Jackfruit.
Try.
Now I eat.
Now what?
Cut.
Cut. Anan. Yes,
I see. Okay.
Okay.
How much is that?
125.
25. Okay. 125.
Yes.
So you're the chef.
Chef Corey.
You're the chef.
Come on, Jay. Hello, Lechon. Hello, Lechon.
100 grams rice soft drink is 135 pesos. So the price is really reasonable for the amount of meal we get. They gave me this soy sauce, vinegar. Guys, vinegar goes everywhere in Filipino dishes. It's an important dip. Vinegar, or even it could be a dressing on top of the food. yummy. And they serve it with rice and Fanta.
In English, we call this dip in bubbles.
Okay, Tuslob. Pork brain with some sauce, and we're gonna cook it here. It's gonna be the chef. What's your name, chef?
Slash.
Slash.
Yeah, Slash.
Slash.
The rock star. Guns N' Roses.
And it comes
know
with
that
some
one?
rice. He's gonna introduce this meal to me, for the first time. Let's see how to cook it. And you said it's unlimited, so I can get another.
Yeah, it's unlimited. But
Okay.
this one is not.
Not okay. So what you're telling me, rice is more expensive than this, huh?
Yeah, because this rice dili mo kailan siya.
Okay, so this is
Oil.
what, oil?
Gonna put some oil.
Okay.
Minced onion and garlic.
Okay, minced onion and garlic, nice.
Then the pig's brain. Pig's brain.
It smells yummy.
Yeah,
It
it's
smells so yummy. I've tried cow brains before, but never pig brains.
I think this is more delicious than cow's brain. Gonna dip it.
You like bread?
Yeah.
Okay, like
Slowly,
this.
it's too hot.
This is how it looks like. Yummy.
Yeah. Just tell me if you want me to cook again. Yeah,
Probably yes. Maybe just one more.
yeah, okay. Just call me.
Can you just bring it while it's hot? While it's hot, can you just bring one more?
Yeah. No problem.
So tasty. I mean, for today I got different parts of the pig. We got the pig's brain, pig's ribs, and pig's belly, and of course the steamed rice in bamboo wraps. So after starting with the pig brains, I decided to go with the pig's belly, but very delicious food. Cebu food is really delicious. I think the pork is not working. It's better to eat by hand. Very tasty. Pig's belly. Second time to try. Other time we tried it was on the grill. But today it has some kind of marination and sauce. Both ways are really nice. Gonna mix cow brain with this rice. Here's the sauce. Yeah, but it's very tasty. Okay, now it's mixed with the rest. Very yummy. The garlic and the onion give it a very special taste. Now I'm gonna try the pork ribs. I guess the piece of ribs itself has more meat than our ribs. But their sauce is different from the sauce on the pig's belly. I think every dish has its different marination. I didn't expect myself to finish the 3 different plates, but I did.
Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. If you enjoyed exploring with me, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on future trips. Check out my latest videos linked right here, as well as other destinations in the Philippines, and let me know in the comments where you'd like to see next.